A classic chick whiz. I have to eat before I go get this tat. Really excited. I'm getting my third tattoo today. Tattoos do this thing where they take a lot out of you. I think it's the combination of the pain, the movement of it, that makes you need to eat. You need to eat before you get a tattoo. There is nothing like the chick whiz. Nothing. So my third tattoo is going to be of Koro-sensei from Assassination Classroom. Assassination Classroom is one of my favorite animes. I just fell in love from the first episode. Just something about it captured my heart and soul, and I have been in love with that anime since. Let me tell you guys a little bit of the synopsis of Assassination Classroom. Imagine one day you're just minding your business at home, maybe working, maybe not working. 75% of the moon disappears. Everybody all over the world is shocked and it's like, what the fuck is going on? Where did the moon go? So then this guy right here goes to the world leaders and says, hi, I am the one that blew up the moon. Yes, that's me. Hello everybody. And I am going to do the same thing to the earth unless one of you can kill me. Don't worry, hold on. I'm going to make this easy for you guys. In the meantime, in the 1 year before I blew up the earth, I am going to teach at this school. I am going to be the teacher for this specific class, and this is where I am going to be. So this is the class for people that didn't really do well in school or are being punished. They send them to this particular class. It's in the woods, it's at the back. It's like they're segregating them from like the main school. And the operators are like, this is your new homeroom teacher. You all need to find a way to kill him. And if you kill him, you're gonna get like a massive amount of money. I think it's like 200 million yen or something like that. That is the story of Assassination Classroom. It's about a class of students trying to kill their homeroom teacher. So I'm gonna be getting Koro-sensei's face on my left thigh, and I'm very, very excited. I've been so excited since the beginning of this week. Like, I've been taking pictures with this in my head, like, oh, last day of me without a Thai tattoo, and I'm like super excited. I gotta finish my food so that I have something in my belly. Also gotta drink my juice and hydrate as well. Kosi is actually gonna be there with me. She wants to get a tattoo but doesn't want to get one yet, so she's just coming with me to watch it and see the process of me getting a tattoo. I'm dressed up to go get my tattoo, and she said to wear loose clothing, which is always a good idea. You don't want anything pressing against it. So I'm wearing my loose skirt, and the idea is that when I get there, instead of her hiking off my skirt, I'm just gonna remove it because this is a bodysuit. This is one of the bodysuits I got from Fashion Nova. If you want to know more about my Fashion Nova haul, there's a video in popping up in one of either the right or the left right now. Guys, I can't wait for you to see this building. It looks so cool. Whoa! Look at that! Looks so awesome! What do you think about me getting my tattoo?
It's super cool. Honestly, it's really cool. I want one, but pain.
But now, like, watching me get this tattoo, how does it inspire you? How does it inspire you to get a tattoo? Does not show you how easy it is and how, like, it's just...
I guess I've been inspired since, so I don't think it's gone up. It might have gone down. I do want to get one. I'm just scared.
You should get it.
I will fight my fears.
Exactly. Fight your fears and get your tattoo.